today we will see how to calculate the moment of resistance of a singly reinforced rectangular beam. So this is the question we have given. So from this we first of all draw a diagram. So this is the breadth and this is the width. So first of all understand this is always the length of the beam. So this is 250 mm and this is the depth. And then we have 4 bars of 12 mm diameter. So let's draw. These are all of 12 mm. And then we have the given effective cover of 40 mm. So effective cover of 40 mm means this distance is of 40 mm, and this is the capital D and this is B. So we get the small d 360 mm. Now after that write given data. So we have B 250 mm, then small d 360 mm, and we need to find area of steel. So AST equals to number of bars into area of each bar. So we have the diameter of bar, so there are 4 bars into area of each bar, that is 5 by 4 into d square means 12 square. So after calculating this we get 452.38 mm square. Now we have given for you M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. So according to precise in the IS code 456/2000, we should write permissible in concrete is 7 Newton per mm square and in steel 230 Newton per mm square. Now we need to find M, that is modular ratio. So the formula of modular ratio is sigma of ST upon 3 into sigma C. That is, we get after calculating this, you will get, that is 230 upon 3 into 7, you will get 10.95. Now to find the moment of resistance of a singly reinforced beam, we need to find whether the section is under reinforced or over reinforced. So for this we need to find the actual depth, that is, so step 1, actual depth of neutral axis, it is denoted by small n. So for this we have a formula, B into n square by 2 equals to MAST, that is area of steel, into D minus n. So put the values, 250 into n square by 2 equals to 10.95 into 452.38 into 360 minus n. So after calculating this equation, that is, okay, I will simplify this. 125 n square plus 4953.6 n minus 178.3281.96 equals to 0. So after this solving this equation in calculator, you will get the value of n, that is 101.59 mm. So we got the value of n. Now we need to find the value of critical depth of the neutral axis. So step 2, critical depth of neutral axis. It is denoted by NC. So for this we have also a formula, that is K into D, and we know the formula of K. So K equal to put the values. So you will get the value of critical depth is 89.98 mm. So we got the value of critical depth. Now we need to find the whether it is over reinforced or under reinforced. So for this, compare the N and NC. So therefore we can conclude N is greater than NC. So therefore the section is over reinforced. So this is the condition of over reinforced section. So now the last step, that is moment of resistance. It is denoted by MOR. We have the formula of MOR, that is Bn into sigma c by 2 into d minus n by 3. Now put the values. 250 into 101.59 27 by 2 into 360 minus 101.59 by 3. Now after solving this question, you will get the value 28.99 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton mm. So just simply convert in kilonewton meter, that is 28.99 kilonewton meter. So this is our final answer.